To get to Virtual Job Shadow, go to broward.edu, hover over Student Resources, and then click on Career Center Network. Then click on Virtual Job Shadow. And if you're new to Virtual Job Shadow, go to New Account. Your username will be your Broward email and your password will be your Broward ID. To start browsing careers, go to Careers, click on it, and then click on Career Central. Here you can browse featured careers, or if you already know the career you want to search for, you can just type it in the search bar. Once you find the career you want to click on it, and if it has a video icon next to it, that means there's a video associated with it. For more detailed information on the career you selected, click on the bullet points on the left. If you like the career, you can click Add to My Careers by clicking on the heart icon. Then if you go to Careers and click on My Careers, that career will be saved here if you want to look at it later. If you also want to look at colleges, you can go to Colleges and click on Search. Here you can use filters to narrow down colleges you may want to go to, or if you already know the college you want to go to, you can just type it in the search bar. And information on that college will appear. If you like the college that you searched, you can click the Add to My Colleges button by clicking on the heart icon. If you have added multiple colleges to My Colleges, you can also compare colleges. If you want to look at jobs, click on Jobs, and then click on Job Search. Type the job that you're looking for, and jobs that are available will pop up. Clicking on one of the jobs will take you to Indeed.com for more information on that job. You can favorite it for later by clicking on the heart icon, which you can find in My Jobs. If you want to look for internships, go to Internship Search, and then type the internship that you are looking for. Click on the internship that you want to look at, and again you'll be taken to Indeed.com for more information on that job. And again, if you click on the heart icon, it will be added to My Jobs.